Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, you will learn how you can automate your document creation and sharing process. Guys, to create documents, we are using Documentero application, which allows you to create documents in Word or PDF format using predefined templates. So here I'm going to show you how you can integrate Google Sheets with Documentero in such a way that whenever you add the data of someone to whom you want to share the documents in Google Sheets, the document will be created and shared via Documentero to the same person automatically without any manual intervention. And you can set up this automation without any coding. So let's get started. To set up the workflow of automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And this is the landing page of Pabbly. You can find the link of this page in the description, and from here you can sign up for free. After that, you can sign in and reach the dashboard. From here, click on this Create Workflow button. Here you can provide a suitable name to your workflow. So let me give a name here. So guys, I have given this name. Now let me click on create button and you will see the workflow page loading up like this. And on this page guys, you will find the basic building blocks of our automation, which is the trigger and the action. So guys, trigger is that event which starts the workflow and the action is the automated response of the trigger. So trigger is saying when this happens, action is saying do this. So guys, when you click on trigger, it will ask to choose that application in which the trigger event is occurring. So in our use case guys, I am adding the data of the person to whom I want to share the document with in a spreadsheet here in Google Sheets application. Okay. So here you can see I am adding the name, email address and the physical address of the person to whom I want to share the document with. And as I enter the data here, I want the workflow should start and create a document and send it automatically to this same person. Okay, so here first of all in the trigger, search for Google Sheets, then select the trigger event as new or updated spreadsheet row, and it will provide you this webhook URL. So with the help of this, we need to create a connection with Google Sheets so that every time you add a new row in the sheet, the workflow should trigger. So for that, you need to follow these instructions written here. Okay. So these are really easy instructions. You can just read them and follow them, or you can just click on this watch tutorial here link and you will reach our YouTube channel. Here we have created a separate video on how to create a connection with Google Sheets in the trigger. You can learn from this video and create the connection. And guys, as you are going to copy this webhook URL for creating the connection, it will start showing waiting for the webhook connections response. So after setting up the connection, you can bring some test data from your spreadsheet to here in this response section, and with that test data only we are going to move forward. So let me bring the test data here. So guys, we have received the test data and here you can see it started showing the spreadsheet's name, test sheet. Here you can see test sheet was the name. Then we have the sheet name, sheet ID, row index from where the data is coming, and here you can see the data, test name, email address and the address, and these are the same things I have placed here in the first row, right? And it got captured here as the test data. Now after getting the test data in this action step to create and send a document, connect with Documentero application. Okay, use the action event as generate document and send as email attachment. Okay, then click on connect button. From here select add new connection and here it will ask for the API key of Documentero to connect with. So to get this key, you need to open Documentero. Let me open it for you. This is my Documentero applications dashboard. And here I have this profile icon. From here, click on this your account section. Under the account, you will find this API key like this. You just have to copy this key and paste the key here in this field. Okay, and click on save and you will be connected with Documentero. Okay. Right, so we are now connected and here it started asking for the email address. So here you have to enter the email that will receive the generated document. So guys, I want to send the document to this person whose data we have received here from the Google Sheets. So I'm going to map this label here, the email label here in this field. So to map the label, just click here and the previous step will appear in the drop down, and when you click on it you will find the data here only. So from here click on this email label to map it like this. In the email subject you can provide a relevant subject like your document is ready, something like this. Okay, and here in the email message you can type the whole message for your recipient. So I am putting here dear, and after dear I am going to map some data from this trigger section. From this Google Sheets I am mapping the name, so it will become dear, name of the person. Okay, so when you map labels here like this, what will happen in real time, whenever this workflow is going to run, the labels will be updated and new data will be filled and new document will be created for the new person. Okay, that's why it is necessary to map the labels. So let me type the email here. So guys, I have written this email. You can see we have created your requested document using the details you have provided in the sheet. Okay, and I have written some small message here, and then it will asking for the format in which you want to generate the document. So I'm selecting PDF option here. We have two options, and here you have to select the document template that you are using to generate the document. So guys, you have to already create a document first in Documentero to generate the documents automatically. So guys, let me show you the template I have already created here. So in the document section here you can see I have this partnership agreement template already created. You can create a new template by clicking on this create template button, or you can upload a template from your system. Okay, or you can download a sample template as well. And here you can see the template rules. You can provide fields and sections and smart fields and dynamic images, etc., etc. inside your template. Let me show you this one. Here you can see guys, in this template I have this is a partnership agreement template. Okay, and here I have this name in this curly braces, and here also name, email and address. So these are the variables I have attached, I have inserted to get the details of these things updated automatically whenever we create a new document. So you can create a similar kind of template, or you can create a template for your requirement here really easily, and after that you can save the template here. And then in this automation workflow you have to select the template's name from the document template field. Okay, then it will show you the template fields, okay, provided in the template. Here you have to map the values of these template fields so to get the fields filled automatically. Okay, and after that you can check your connection. Let me first map the template. For the name, use the Google Sheets and map the name. For the email, use the same process, and for the address, use the same process. Okay, after that when you click on save and send test request button, this person that you have mapped here is going to receive a newly generated document template. So let me show you how it is going to look like. So guys, this is the email inbox of this person whose email address I have mapped here. Okay, and here I am clicking on save and send test request button. Let's see how it works. So guys, this is the response we have received. It is showing us the message document generated successfully plus an email has been sent to here. So you can see the generated document inside your dashboard of Documentero. Here you can see Anonymous has created this document. You can open it. So here the document is generated, and here let us check in the email inbox. And here you can see guys, we have received a new email, and here it is showing the subject is your document is ready. Okay, and this was the same subject, and here you can see the email, dear test name, we have created a requested document using the details you have provided. This is the same email guys that I have written here, you can see. Okay, and you can see in place of the name is placed here, test name. And this is the document in the PDF format because I have selected PDF format here. And here you can see guys, in place of the template fields, the data got placed here automatically and correctly. So this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up the automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, it will work automatically whenever you are going to add a new row here in this spreadsheet. And I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description so that you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.